Hello, supermobile fans. Happy day to you all. Thanks for subscribing and thanks for your continued support towards this channel. Let us wash our hands and stay home as much as possible. We shall overcome soon. One love. It seems that Infinix is running out of names because the youngest brother of the Hot 9 is called the Hot 9 Play. Although I think there will still be a Hot 9 Lite version, which should be a bigger sister to the Hot 9 Play. The official specifications of the Infinix Hot 9 Play is far below the Hot 9 that was launched few weeks ago in Asia. But the Hot 9 Play is a good upgrade from the Hot 8 Lite and quite similar to the Hot 8. The Hot 9 Play has a bigger 6.82 inches cinematic display size, which is a little bit bigger than the already big 6.6 inches display size in the Hot 8, but has same HD Plus resolution with an aspect ratio of 20.5:1. It still retains the water drop notch, although the punch hole notch in the standard Hot 9 version made me anticipate for a super affordable punch hole notch in the Hot 9 Play. But we may have to wait for the Hot 9 Lite or the Hot 10 Play. The Hot 9 Play will have the new XOS 6.1 user interface, which offers some new features like social turbo, Wi-Fi share, instant USSD, and sensor call picker. All these XOS 6 features are based on the new Android 10 Go Edition software, which brings some new, improved and better Android performance to entry-level smartphones. App switching and app launching are now faster, but sadly it does not have the system-wide dark mode theme. The Hot 9 Play has same 2GB RAM and 32GB storage, just like the Hot 8 Lite. I hope Infinix keeps using at least 2GB RAM, and they should get rid of the slow 1GB RAM totally. The selfie camera still has an 8MP shooter with a selfie flash LED, but the rear camera quality has been stepped up to a 13MP dual setup with a 0.08MP QVGA low light lens and triple flash LED. I hope it does a good job in taking portrait images because there is no depth lens. Overall, it will have a better camera quality than the Hot 8 Lite. Surprisingly, the processor has been significantly stepped up to the MediaTek Helio A22 quad-core 12nm processor, which is also present in the Hot 8. Finally, Infinix has gotten rid of the ancient MediaTek 6580 processor in the Hot 8 Lite. The Hot 9 Play will be coming with 4G LTE support, which is a good upgrade from the Hot 8 Lite. The Hot 9 Play is the first Infinix smartphone to have a bigger 6000 mAh battery size with a 10W micro USB port. This means more screen on time for the Infinix Hot users. It is nice that Infinix adopted the same elegant gem cut texture design and colors from the Hot 9, which makes the Hot 9 Play stand out in its price range. Concerning the pricing, here is the expected price for the Infinix Hot 9 Play, which I think looks fair for the specifications, but I hope it will be less than this. Fingers crossed. Let me know what you guys think about these upgrades. The most important upgrade to me is the Helio A22 processor. Thanks so much for watching. Kindly subscribe and turn post notification on to be the first to see my next official update on Hot 9 Play and other devices. Talk to you in my next video. Remain humble, stay safe, bye.
Infinix is more than brand, it's a family.
Infinix. The future is now.